Azure Kosmetics, 24K Gold and Retinol, Under Eye Pads, Anti-Aging, 5 pairs. Product Overview Description. Helps repair wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. Extra large size to treat crow's feet. Increases skin's elasticity, helping reduce wrinkles and signs of aging. Helps restore skin's natural glow. Firms and lifts skin. Paraben-free, hypoallergenic. Suggested use: wash and dry face. Remove pad from package. Place pad down on skin and adjust to fit comfortably under eyes. Relax and enjoy for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove pads and gently massage remaining product around eye area. No need to rinse. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, butylene glycol, niacinamide, urea, 1 to 2 hexanediol, xanthan gum, carbomer, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, sodium hyaluronate, aloe barbadensis leaf extract, maltodextrin, allantoin, panthenol, trehalose, hydrolyzed collagen, portulaca oleracea extract, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, ethylhexylglycerin, beta-glucan, gold, 0.002 parts per million, retinol, half a part per million, caprylic/capric triglyceride, zeolite, disodium edta, macadamia ternifolia seed oil, hydrogenated phosphatidylcholine, polysorbate 20, alcohol, propylene glycol, brassica campestris, rapeseed, sterols, PEG 5 phytosterol, siteth 3, siteth 5, cholesterol, potassium cetyl phosphate, BHT, caprylyl triethanolamine, fragrance. Warnings: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. If irritation persists, consult a physician. Single use, discard after using. If irritation occurs, rinse with cold water. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.